Slate Edge Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? What if your credit card could quietly lower its own interest rate over time? That is exactly what the Slate Edge is designed to do. This card is focused on people building or rebuilding credit. You start with a higher interest rate, but every 6 months of responsible use can unlock a lower APR. There is no annual fee, and it also offers introductory 0% APR periods for purchases and balance transfers. If you are serious about improving your credit and lowering interest, this card can be very powerful. Verdict: worth it for credit builders.